Who's ready for some cozy comfort food? Today we're diving into a recipe that's not only quick and easy, but also incredibly comforting. Perfect for those chilly days when you need something warm to soothe your soul. We're making a classic chicken soup that's sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Let's whip up chicken soup in minutes. This recipe is designed for those who want a delicious meal without spending hours in the kitchen. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent on the go, or just someone who loves good food, this chicken soup is for you. First, gather all your ingredients on the countertop. You'll need some basic staples: chicken, carrots, celery, onions, garlic, olive oil, chicken broth, bay leaves, thyme, pepper, and either noodles or rice. Having everything laid out and ready will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Start by chopping up your veggies: carrots, celery, onions, and garlic. These vegetables not only add flavor but also pack a nutritional punch. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, celery provides a good source of fiber, onions add a depth of flavor, and garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties. This is going to be the aromatic base of our soup. The combination of these vegetables will create a fragrant and flavorful foundation that will make your chicken soup irresistible. Next, heat a bit of olive oil in your pot and toss in those veggies. Olive oil is a healthy fat that will help to sauté the vegetables, releasing their natural flavors and aromas. Sauté them until they're nice and softened, about 3-4 minutes. This step is crucial as it helps to develop the flavors and ensures that the vegetables are tender and delicious. Now, it's time for some liquid magic. Pour in your chicken broth. The broth is the heart of the soup, providing a rich and savory base that ties all the ingredients together. Add your chicken broth, a couple of bay leaves, some thyme, and a pinch of pepper. These herbs and spices will infuse the soup with a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor, and a pinch of pepper. Pepper adds a subtle heat that complements the other flavors perfectly. Bring it all to a simmer. This gentle cooking method allows the flavors to meld together beautifully, creating a harmonious and delicious soup. Stir in some cooked shredded chicken. Using pre-cooked chicken saves time and makes this recipe even more convenient. You can use leftover chicken or a rotisserie chicken from the store. And for that hearty touch, add noodles or rice, your choice. Noodles will give the soup a classic feel, while rice adds a comforting, homey texture. Both options are delicious, so go with what you prefer or have on hand. Let it simmer for about 10-15 minutes until all the flavors come together. This final simmering step ensures that every ingredient is perfectly cooked and the soup is bursting with flavor. Finally, pour that delicious soup into a bowl and garnish with fresh parsley for that extra burst of flavor. The parsley adds a fresh, vibrant touch that makes the soup look as good as it tastes. And there you have it, a bowl of homemade chicken soup that's not only easy to make but also incredibly satisfying. Perfect for any day of the week. A simple, soul-warming chicken soup. Enjoy! Whether you're feeling under the weather or just in need of some comfort, this soup is sure to hit the spot. Like and subscribe for more recipes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and easy recipes. Happy cooking!